Hi, I'm Matt Gustafson.
And I'm Jim Lashbrook, and we're the sales managers at Champion Homes, Topeka, Indiana.
Today we're going to talk a little bit about our most popular spec level of home that we build here. We build it under three brands: the Fortune Gold Star, the Redmond Advantage, and the Dutch Diamond series. What makes these homes so popular is we have the ability to allow you to build the home the way you want and stay in the same footprint. Some of our competitors, when you find the floor plan that you like, may force you into a certain type of home. We don't do that here. If you find the footprint that you like, we can build it from a very basic entry-level HUD-coated home all the way up to a state-coated modular with 712 roofs, ceramic showers, appliance packages, and that sort of thing. So we give you the flexibility and the options to build the home your way. And that's really what we're about here at Champion. We're about giving you the ability to build the home of your dreams.
I'm going to give you a brief overview of our facilities here in Topeka, Indiana, as well as what you will be experiencing during our tour of excellence. Our three manufacturing facilities in Topeka are located on 55 acres in north central Indiana, the home of Amish country. The three plants total over 200,000 square feet of climate-controlled manufacturing space, ensuring that your home and your home's materials are always kept out of Mother Nature's reach. The massive size of our campus makes us the largest home builder in the nation, if not the world. Each plant is unique, and because of that uniqueness, we offer you a variety of homes to choose from. Single section and multi-section HUD-code homes, as well as state code modular. Because of this variety, Champion Topeka is uniquely positioned to offer you a variety of homes to make your home selection easier. Our tour of excellence will be a journey of knowledge. The journey will be led by our zone managers with over 200 years of manufactured housing experience. They will guide you through an array of production procedures and show you a variety of unique features to help you make the best informed decision in your home purchase.
My name is Jim Mortrude. I'm Senior Zone Manager for Champion Homes of Indiana, and I will be presenting a few of the many feature benefits associated with factory-built housing. System building is the superior method of building. System-built homes are built in a controlled environment indoors. They are also more efficient due to assembly line construction, and when a worker performs the same task day after day, he becomes much more proficient. A few of the methods employed in building a system-built home include 2x6 sidewalls. 2x6 sidewall is standard insulation, and the 2x6 sidewall is R19. It allows more insulation, plus it increases the structural integrity of the home. Another very important feature is our foam seal system. It is a method of attaching the drywall to the stud. The stuff is amazing. That's never going to move. LVL beams are used in all high stress areas. LVL stands for laminated veneer lumber. And if you look, this is all laminated. This beam is 2.5 times stronger than a piece of regular lumber that's exactly the same size. And that's used in all high stress areas. And it also adds a great deal of integrity to your home. System building controls cost. It's more efficient and equals lower cost of building, faster delivery, and decreased length of your construction line. The typical scenario in a site-built home is they build the basement or the foundation, and then the builder brings all the materials to the site and starts building the home. This process can take anywhere from many months to over a year. With the system-built home, we do the same thing. Do the basement or the crawl space, let it cure, but the difference is, with a system-built home, while that's being done, the home is being built. So when the basement is cured and ready to go, the home can be moved immediately to the building site, can be set, and finished, and your time on that is going to be probably a little over 60 days, as adverse to months and months or a year.
Hi, welcome. My name is William Horn, and I'm a zone manager for Champion Homes in Topeka, Indiana. First, we'd like to talk to you a little bit about our floor opportunities that we have here and what we do and how we create our floors and why it's so important to build these inside, not outside with the dry lumber that we have. So on this particular floor, we have a modular home being built. The difference between a mod and a HUD is the modulars, this will come off a carrier and be set on a permanent foundation. On a HUD, the frame stays with your home as it's put together. So here we are now, we are in our sidewall area, which we have 2 long tables with angle irons on the tables to help with our build process. So on our build process for sidewalls and our interior walls, we'll lay the drywall down first, we'll square everything up using our angle irons on our tables, and then we'll come back and lay our studs out every 16 inches, and then the way we attach our studs is with our foam seal. The reason we use that is to help the customer on the end without the nail pops. You can see as the foam seal goes up, there's no gap between the foam seal, the drywall, and the stud. Here we are in our roof build area. In this process, we lay down our drywall first, we come back and lay our rafters out, and then we foam seal our rafters to our drywall. In this area, we square everything up, just like we do with our sidewall area. We try to use every all-fall that we can for backers, for interior walls, so everything gets screwed nice and tight.
My name is Brendan McCaffrey. I'm with Champion Homes out of Topeka, Indiana, and I want to talk to you a little bit about how we make your homes efficient and going through installation and green-saving processes that we have here at the plant. The first thing that you're going to notice is I'm standing around these 2 buildings, or halves of buildings, where you see all this pink fluffy stuff. This is what we call your batten insulation. So we have different options for you to insulate your home to up the R values depending on the climate that your home is going to be shipping to. A couple other cool things that we do, or we like to do here, is we actually have a foam seal that we put between the floor and the sidewall. So what that does is it's going to inhibit any extra airflow going through, because we all know as you get air penetration, that's going to cause inefficiencies in your home, raising your utilities. Another thing that we do is at your windows, we install insulation around the windows so that way it has a tight seal. And then when you're moving to the roof section of your home, you're going to notice that we have vented soffits and that we have baffles above the eaves, so that way it allows airflow through the roof. Because what a cool roof does is it allows for you to save on your utilities as well, because in the summer it's going to keep it cool, and then in the winter it's going to keep it cool. Another part of being efficient is reducing the carbon footprint here in the plant. And so we're able to take all the materials that we use, and so when we have these cut-offs, these end pieces, we're able to use that in other homes that are coming down the line. So we're able to reduce our waste, which also helps reduce the carbon footprint, which is important, especially in today's society.
Hi, my name is Matt Judd, and I work out of our Champion Topeka plants. I'd like to welcome you to one of our cabinet shops, where we take pride in our quality craftsmanship. Having an in-house engineering department and cabinet shop allows us to come up with more unique layouts and designs to fit your needs and budgets, and not being stuck with traditional box cabinets. We are constantly on the lookout for new trends in decor in our industry. As you can see, we have several popular options to choose from. I would like to welcome you to one of our more popular home series, the Summit. This designer home has a lot of high-end features already built into the standards of this house, which makes it a very popular choice with all of our customers. One of the nice features you'll notice in this house are full-length 42-inch overhead cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. This is a nice looking feature that you won't even find in the Builder series with stick-built homes. With black stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, an undermount kitchen sink with gooseneck faucet, and subway tile, and a stainless steel Euro range hood gives this kitchen a nice modern look. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to head you off to Kevin, where he's going to talk to you about some of our bath features.
My name is Kevin Devine. I'm a zone sales manager for Champion Homes of Indiana here in beautiful Topeka. I wanted to showcase some of our bathrooms today. So right now we're standing in what's called the Summit bathroom. I'm going to walk you around and show you a couple of the features of this bathroom and talk about why this is such a great bathroom for you and your family to enjoy. It's really going to start with the focal point right behind us here, where we have a two-sided agile shower. This shower is going to have two large pieces of glass with a really nice entryway door. On the very top, you got a nice rainfall shower head, and it's got all one-piece fiberglass base in it. As you rotate to your left, you'll see that we've got a really nice two vanity here. So this vanity has got two square bowls, a couple drawers below, all complemented by backlight LED mirrors. Something that is also available in this particular bathroom is here to our left, we've got a seating bench. You can also replace that with a beautiful freestanding tub that's got a freestanding faucet. It does give you a couple windows to get you some natural light in your bathroom. And then finally, right behind our shower here is going to be a section for some cubbies. So you'll see here shortly that we have some sections where you can put in your towels, hang up a robe, very convenient, makes the space very, very livable and usable. With our bathrooms here at Champion of Topeka, we do have several options other than the agile shower, the nice vanity that you have, things that are maybe a little more cost effective or even larger than this. As an example, instead of this shower, you can also do things like full ceramic. You can also do a standard 60-inch by 30-inch tub shower. You can upgrade that 60-inch and 30-inch tub shower to a 60-inch shower only. That's going to get you a seat on each side of that shower. We really can accommodate your bathroom needs to be able to fit what your family's needs are, and we'd love that opportunity to do so.
Hi everybody, my name's Craig Claxton. I'm a zone manager, and this is my 30th year. And over the 30 years that I've been doing this, what I really enjoy about what we've done with our product over the years is the advancements we've made in kitchens and baths and utility rooms. When you're looking through the websites and when you're looking through the literature, you're going to see so many different floor plans. We offer a variety of floor plans in both standard and we flip them. Let's say you have a particular lot that needs, your home flipped, we can do that for you also. But so many of them have nice kitchens, some have standard kitchens, but that's going to be up to you as a consumer. What particular type of kitchen do you want? One thing that we've really done and really upped our game over the last couple of years is in our entertainment centers. And the best part about this entertainment center is not only does it look good, not only is it functional, but you don't have to put it together. And as you can see, we've kind of developed a barn door approach. We'll put the jacks in for you. We'll put the plugs in for you. Everything you need is in here. If I could give you a bit of advice, I would always tell you to, if you can, order the option now. Have us do it for you. Have us put the nice shower stalls in it for you, because in the future you may think, oh, I wish I would have done that. Try to do it now. Let us do it at a plant level.
As we start to wrap this factory tour up, I just want to bring to your attention, this is the area we always refer to as the final finish department. This is where your home gets its identity. Notice as we move along the final finish area, this is where the house starts from a basic structure of a floor, 4 walls, and a roof into a finished product that you have specifically designed for your special needs and your wants. What separates the product from this point forward is when we start adding the carpet, the trim, the cabinet doors, the ceramic tile, the appliances. That's how we create your own special identity. One of the critical things that we do in this area also is all the inspections. We complete 2 thorough inspections on every house. And prior to the moving of these houses and the plastic being dropped, we install all the close-up material that's necessary for the installation of your house. Once that is done in this section, then what we do is the supervisor in this department, he will go through and do his final inspection and his final walkthrough, and will tape anything that he is not happy with. What they do in the Ready to Ship program is they will go through, they will inspect the complete exterior of your home, the complete interior. They will verify that the home is built to the correct specifications, and they will follow through with a walkthrough on the order to make sure that everything that you ordered on your house is in the house prior to shipping. Then once that is done, they will label the house. They will also put the certification on the countertop to show that this house was
approved by the RTS department.
My name's Lon Kosis. I'm a zone manager at Champion Homes in Topeka, Indiana. I'm here to talk about Champion Homes Service Department. Champion Homes has a world-class service department with over 100 years customer satisfaction. We have different kinds of warranties that we offer on the homes. We have a 1-year structural warranty. Then we also offer 7-year extended warranties, which basically covers everything in the house. We have a 10-year structural warranty that is on the structural components of the house. We also have contractors that are available to come out and assist you in case there are any issues with any home that you have. Champion Homes is dedicated to making sure that you're happy with the purchase of your home. From our workers who take pride in everything that they do, from our service department that will assure you that you're taken care of at the end.
We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch our Tour of Excellence. For over 60 years, we have prided ourselves on being the best in the industry. The homes Champion Topeka builds are professionally designed and engineered, built in a controlled environment by the best craftsmen, and are inspected at every phase of construction to ensure our quality standards are met. You have just watched some of our professionals explain a few reasons why we are the best, and one of the most important reasons we are so successful is our partnerships. We partner with some of the largest and most trusted names in the business, such as Whirlpool, Braun, Georgia Pacific, and more that provide us with exceptional quality products. Above all, one of our most important partnerships is our large and growing network of retailers, developers, builders, and communities. As a result, you'll find a Champion-built structure in a variety of neighborhoods, from rural farm and ranch to large city infill projects and everywhere in between. Visit a local Champion builder in these states to find your Champion Indiana built home. Choosing one of our homes gives you more than just a place to live. It makes you part of a special community of home buyers who will settle for nothing less than the best, nothing less than a champion. So now all there is to say is thank you and welcome home.